This is Jay Lawing of the St. Johns County, Florida Sheriff's Office. Back in March of 2016, Jay Lawing unlawfully arrested me while I was peacefully protesting against the St. Johns County, Florida School Board. At the time of this arrest, Lawing was a sergeant and supervisor of the Northeast District School Resource Deputies.
How you doing?
How we doing, Mr. Gray?
Good, how are you?
Can I ask why you're here?
I am peacefully assembling and peacefully protesting.
Okay. You realize that this is a violation of your no trespass order that was issued, correct?
No, it's not actually. If you look at the statute, there's a provision in there that
not?
says that this shall not, come up out of the road.
Thank you.
There's a provision in there that says it shall not infringe on a person's right to peacefully assemble and protest. If you look at the statute, it's right there in
Okay.
the statute. So that's why I'm here.
This is within the 500-foot safety rule, so I'm placing you under arrest for violation of that no trespass order. If you would, put your sign down, turn your phone off, put your hands behind your back, please.
The bogus charges were quickly dropped, with the state attorney's office issuing this statement regarding the arrest. Out of curiosity, I submitted a public records request for a copy of Lawing's personnel file, and a review of Lawing's disciplinary records reveal a troubling history, including sustained complaints for insubordination, failure to perform duties, lying to investigators about misconduct, destroying evidence of misconduct, and watching pornography on his agency-issued computer while in his office at the St. Johns County Sheriff's Department. According to Lawing, on June 11, 2008, at approximately 1100 hours, he was in his office utilizing his Sheriff's Office laptop computer to view an internet site he stated he should not have been on. Lawing described the site as showing adult women in various stages of undress and in various stages of sexual intercourse. Lawing further stated, "I knew it was wrong. I knew I shouldn't have been doing it." While he was viewing one of the images, Lawing stated Becky Henson walked into his office. During the interview, Lawing reviewed the images from the disk provided by Bolos, containing approximately 120 pictures of adult pornography which were recovered from his agency laptop computer. Lawing confirmed that they were images he had viewed from the internet websites and the deleted after viewing. In a recommendation for discipline memorandum, Christopher Strickland, who was Lawing's supervisor at the time, stated the following: "In light of the behavior of Sergeant Lawing being below conduct standard, below moral standard, below ethical standard, and below supervisory standard, I must dismiss anything but objective reasoning and state the following. Sergeant J.F. Lawing, by his intentional conduct, has shrunk from his duties as a supervisor. He has committed a wrong that cannot be ignored or minimized, for he has violated the trust of his office, his subordinates, and his supervisor. In addition, he has shown a tendency to be delinquent in his autonomy and must be supervised constantly to deter temptation to inappropriate behavior in the workplace. Therefore, it is my recommendation that Sergeant J.F. Lawing be relieved of his rank of sergeant and his duties in the Field Investigative Unit." Jay Lawing has since been promoted to lieutenant and is the manager of the Internal Affairs Unit for the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office, where he is responsible for investigating all serious complaints filed against an employee or related to actions taken by the agency.